Hello everyone, let's start past perfect tense. In this video, we'll learn how to change active voice into passive voice of past perfect tense. You may prepare your notes through these slides. So let's begin. Past perfect tense. As we know, we use had plus main verb third form in active voice, while in passive voice we use had been plus main verb third form. Means the only difference between active voice and passive voice is using of been. ठीक है, passive voice में will use been. Let's see. He had taken food before I came. Here you can see in active voice he is your subject, had your helping verb, and taken, that is main verb third form, and your object is food. And before I came is your other class. Okay, so here you must know that only principal class, the clause that is in past perfect tense, will be changed into passive voice. So we'll change passive voice of this class only. He had taken food. Okay, so food had been taken by him, and other class जो है आपका subordinate class, it will remain same, before I came. Okay, so here object of the principal class food becomes subject in passive voice, and subject of the principal class he becomes object by him. Okay, and we use been with had के साथ हम been का यूज कर रहे हैं, and main verb third form. So he had taken food before I came. Food had been taken by him before I came. Next. He had spoken the truth before the case ended. Here, your principal clause is he had spoken the truth. So, the truth had been spoken by him before the case ended. Other class will remain same. Only we have to change passive voice of the class that has been translated in past perfect tense. American soldiers had arrested Saddam before they left Iraq. Here, they mean Saddam and his colleagues, his you can say soldiers. Okay, so American soldier, this is your subject, and had your helping verb, arrested main verb third form, and Saddam is your object. So in passive voice, your subject will be Saddam had been arrested by American soldiers before they left Iraq. Okay. Next negative sentence. She had not washed the clothes before lunchtime. So here in passive voice, your subject will be the clothes. So the clothes had not been washed by her before lunchtime. The clothes had not been washed by her before lunchtime. Next, the police had not written the report before the officer came. Here, the report will be your subject in passive voice. So, the report had not been written by the police before the officer came. I repeat, the report had not been written by the police before the officer came. I had not received your letter till yesterday. Here, your letter will be object in passive voice. Sorry. So, your letter had not been received by me till yesterday. Till yesterday. Okay. Next, interrogative sentence. Had he finished the work before it was 10 p.m.? So the work will be your subject in passive voice, and he would be your object. So had the work been finished by him before it was 10 p.m. Okay, one thing here I would like to mention, sentences in which ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट इन पैसिव वॉइस. ठीक है, पैसिव वॉइस में जहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं होता है, वी कैन इग्नोर ऑब्जेक्ट देयर ओनली. लाइक अब इन दिस सेंटेंस वी कैन सी कि यहाँ पे ही इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, कोई भी है वो काम होना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इन हिंदी वी कैन से 10 बजे तक काम हो गया था. सो हियर किसके द्वारा हुआ था दैट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, या उसने 10 बजे तक काम कर दिया था, दिस इज योर एक्टिव वॉइस. या काम 10 बजे तक हो गया था उसके द्वारा, हियर इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो वी कैन इग्नोर ऑब्जेक्ट इन पैसिव वॉइस इन दोज सेंटेंसेज इन विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट और नॉट necessary to mention. Okay, next, had the robbers burned the village before the villagers came. So had the village been burned by the robbers before the villagers came out. Here question mark. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन मार्क यहाँ हो जाएगा. ये बर्न 2 बार आ गया था, एक बर्न को हम रिमूव कर देंगे. सो हैड द village been burned by the robbers before the villagers came out. अब here your object robbers is important. Okay, क्योंकि ऐसे कोई it is not a simple happening. ठीक है, कि कोई भी गांव जला देगा, है ना. जैसे हमारी टोटी बिगड़ी हुई तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ अंडरस्टूड कि प्लम्बर ही बनाएगा. सो टोटी बन गई थी, नो नीड टू मेंशन बाय द प्लम्बर, बट गांव जलाया गया ये तो एक अलग घटना है. सो हियर ऑब्जेक्ट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, सो वी मस्ट यूज ऑब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट, वाई हैड यू कमिटेड सच अ मिस्टेक. सो हियर सच अ मिस्टेक विल बी योर ऑब्जेक्ट इन पैसिव वॉइस. सो why had such a mistake been committed by you? Why had such a mistake been committed by you who had not saved the life of the swan? So here who is your question word as well as subject. So, and object is the life of the swan. So in passive voice your subject will be life of the swan, एंड ये हु जो है ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म में जाएगा तो हुम हो जाएगा. एंड एज इट इज़ योर क्वेश्चन वर्ड तो ये पहले ही आएगा. सो बाई हम लगा देंगे, बाई हुम हैडंट द लाइफ ऑफ द स्वान बीन सेव्ड. और इफ़ वी डोंट यूज़ नॉट विद हैज़ तो द लाइफ ऑफ द स्वान के बाद और बीन के बीच में यहाँ कहीं आएगा. ठीक है, यहाँ कहीं यूज़ करेंगे. लाइक बाई हुम हैड द लाइफ ऑफ द स्वान नॉट बीन सेव्ड, नॉट बीन saved. Okay, so we can write this thing in this way also. Okay, so that's all for today. We have completed past perfect tense. In next video we'll complete future. That's all for today. Thank you.